This is the eero Pro 6E Mesh. It's an awesome Wi-Fi system that can handle speeds of over a gigabyte and cover a 6,000 square foot area. I've been using the Pro 6E for a few weeks now. I've also used a lot of the top competitor products as well in the past. There are definitely some things I wish I knew before buying, since it would have made my decision a lot easier. In the box, you'll find the eero Pro 6E devices, power adapters for each of them, and an Ethernet cable, as well as a user guide. To set it up, download the eero app and create an account. It supports both iOS and Android. The app will walk you through setting up your gateway eero. Start by unplugging your modem, then connect the eero to the modem using the Ethernet cable. Plug your eero in with the power cable that came in the box, and plug your modem back into power too. Use the app to look for your eero. Once it's located, name it, and then choose your network name and password. That will be used to connect to other devices to the network. Tap Next and the eero will complete the setup. Once the first device is up, you can use the app information on where best to place the other devices for the best coverage and then connect them up to the system. The eero Pro 6E Mesh is their fastest system yet, with support for network speeds up to 2.3 gigabytes per second, including wired speeds of up to a gigabyte and wireless speeds of up to 1.6 gigabytes. One of the standout features of the eero Pro 6E Mesh is its tri-band connectivity, which includes access to the new 6 GHz band. To explain that a bit, Wi-Fi 6E stands for Wi-Fi 6 Extended. Wi-Fi 6E helps clear the way for faster speeds on more devices, thanks to recently authorized access to the 6 GHz band. The 6 GHz band offers a whole new Wi-Fi lane, so it frees up other 2.4 and 5 GHz bands on the eero's tri-band system to operate more efficiently. What does that all mean for performance? The end result is there's always an optimal path for your data, so that reduces drop-offs and buffering. I really found a huge difference in the speed of our internet after installing the Pro 6E. We have multiple users and many devices connected, so it is a perfect solution. Another huge benefit of the eeros is its coverage. Depending on how many eero devices you set up, you can cover up to 6,000 square feet, so there'll be no more dead zone problems in distant corners or elsewhere. And eero Pro 6E works as a smart home hub, so you can control supported Thread and Zigbee devices with Alexa. It also doubles as a border router to help connections with Thread-enabled devices. One of the things I love is that the eero receives automatic updates over time, so it keeps getting new features to help keep the network safe and secure. And there is also an eero Secure subscription available too. It's an optional service that provides advanced security features, ad blocking, and even content filtering to make sure content viewing is family-friendly. Design-wise, the eero Pro 6E is sleek and unobtrusive, the opposite of the bulky routers with antennas sticking out everywhere. The modern design blends in well with most decors. It's a useful tech addition that you won't mind displaying. And for those of you who dread troubleshooting tech, it's good to know that eero's customer service is top-notch. Whether connecting by a call or chat, they're very responsive and helpful. The eero Pro 6E Mesh is a super fast and secure Wi-Fi tool. It supports speeds of over a gigabyte, has efficient tri-band connectivity, including support for the new 6 GHz band, and can connect over 100 devices. And it covers over 6,000 square feet of space. Its excellent security controls continue to improve over time with automatic download updates. It's reliable and has an easy-to-use app and great customer service should you need it. Well, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.